how can you become a data scientist? To become a data scientist, first of all, you have to have a clear understanding of what is data. It's not a theoretical thing I'm telling you. Understanding of data means you need to understand what kind of data you have in your hand. There are different kinds of data. I'll give an example. If you go and analyze Twitter feed, that will be a text data with timeline. If you have tables, you will have a data which will be sorted. The table might have labels. I mean, by labels, I mean the top headers, if that is given the name of the shops, the sales from the shops, the amount of revenue being generated, the product being sold, that is label data. So that is another kind of data. A photograph is again a different kind of data. That is a pictorial data. A music, voice note, that is a different kind of data. All this data can be analyzed, and all this data is being analyzed. So you have to understand what kind of data you are going to have. And of course, if you do not love your data, you might not become a very good data scientist. So for becoming a data scientist, you should have a knack for data. So here are a few questions which you can read on the screen. And if majority of the above questions are yes, we can go ahead. Understanding of algorithms. It's not difficult to understand an algorithm because algorithms are ultimately logic. When you tell computer to perform some task, it goes and looks what are the steps you are telling it to perform that task. And those steps are algorithm, nothing else. This is like solving a puzzle with pen and paper. So algorithm doesn't necessarily mean using a computer. I'll give you an example. You have a list of numbers and I tell you, derive a method to separate even numbers from odd numbers. I don't think if I give you numbers from 1 to 100, random numbers, you do even need a computer for that. You can simply separate those numbers in odd and even. But there has to be a logic behind that. That logic and the flow of that logic is algorithm. It's as simple as that. So if you can write logic that goes stepwise, you can understand machine learning algorithm as well. Then understanding of programming. Many of you are new to programming, and so am I. Let me admit that. Hence, if you think that programming is computer engineers, computer science guys thing, you're mistaken. Let me tell you, it's one of the easiest thing to learn because the way we communicate to people and the way we communicate to computers, nowadays it's quite similar because the high level programming languages like Python, Java, they are very similar to the English language you use. Yes, of course, there are some syntax nuances which are specific, but still we'll come to that. I'm just trying to allay the fear of programming if that word comes to haunt you or thinking that, oh, this is one thing because of which I cannot become a data scientist, then you should not be afraid. Programming is not that difficult to do and you can very easily learn that. So these are the few things I have written in such a way that you might know it, you might not know it, but in the next coming up sessions, you'll come and understand each and every word which we have mentioned over there. Be it loops, conditional statements, variables, client, database, everything. Understanding of statistics. Not very deep statistics if you want to start with it, but yes, the basic knowledge of statistics, like what is a mean, what is a median, mode, standard deviation, distribution. These things come handy when you are working with data. And then understanding the business domain. What I mean to say, if it is not a deal breaker, is you cannot be a master of all the businesses, but whichever data set you are working upon, you need to have some domain knowledge of that. And that is why consultants or the data scientists or the data science professionals work very closely with business professionals to understand the business problem. So let me summarize that. It starts with understanding of data, understanding of logic or algorithm, understanding of programming, understanding of statistics, and then understanding of business domain. And I have summed them in this one picture. So you see, on one side, there is mathematics and then computer science or programming, if you say. So if you know mathematics and computer science, you can do machine learning. But to become a data scientist, a complete data scientist, you need to have domain expertise as well. So when all these three combine, you become a complete data scientist. And now this is the most important slide. Trust me, the most important slide of how can I become a data scientist. You need to be curious. Curiosity is the first and foremost attribute of a data scientist. He has to be curious. If you're not curious about the problem, if you're not curious enough to dig deep, it's not going to work out. And then something which is not very common sense, and as I said, communication skills. So these three things will help you long way becoming a data scientist.